So when we were talking about constructing protons and neutrons, we were talking about hadrons. H-A-Y, which is 3 quarks. Now we're going to talk about mesons. Mesons are composed of 2 quarks. Okay. So in order to add mesons together, we need to have a particle and an antiparticle. And the reason why is because we either reach white or we reach black when we add our poles together, or anti-white is what we're putting instead of black. White or anti-white. So in order to do that, I need to be, for only 2 quarks, I need a red and an anti-red, a blue and anti-blue, or a yellow and an anti-yellow. So when I'm adding ups and stranges together, I'm adding an up to a negative string. Okay? So if I did an up to a negative string, I'm going to end up with a meson that's going to be red plus an anti-red. And I should be careful, I should tell you this right now. When we talk about antiparticles, like an anti-strange has a line over the top. Okay? That's an anti-strange. Cool, so the mesons of up and anti-strange. Well, the spin of up is 1/2, the charge is 2/3. An anti-strange would have a negative 1/2, and it would have a positive third. So we would end up with the charge of 1, but a spin of 0. Okay? So that's the mesons of the strange, which is a pion. We deal with pions, we're dealing with the fundamental plus, more importantly, when you're dealing with pions, they have no spin. Okay, your other particles, like a K-meson, is going to have spins associated with it. Cool? So that's all a meson is. It's just one particle, or one quark plus another quark. So, which is right in the middle of the light, if I rewrite it. So up and an antiparticle, S. So that's an up and an anti-S. Red and an anti-red. Blue and an anti-blue. Yellow and an anti-yellow. That's how you add them together. Okay? You have to have an anti-white when you're done adding a meson. You can't have a red and a blue or a red and a red. They won't add together. Reds won't add together. Blues won't add together. A blue and a red don't add together. They don't give you white. If they don't give you white, they have to give you anti-white. If they don't give you anti-white, then you can't build it. Cool? So that's a meson.